Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video, I'm going to show you 9 different best online jobs that pay you to work from home, guys, okay? And these are going to be really awesome jobs that you can check out and do from home and make some extra money, and some of them even pay you PayPal. So stick around, watch the whole thing, get the 9 jobs, and let's get started right now. So guys, the first site is Humanatic, and it's found at humanatic.com. And what you're doing here is you're going to be reviewing calls and getting paid, guys, okay? It says, listen to recorded phone call, answer a simple question with the click of a button, and earn real money. What is Humanatic? Have you ever called a company and heard the operator say, this call is being recorded? Well, that's us. We help our clients review their calls. Then we provide them with analytical reports, and then the valuable data helps improve customer service and sales. So if you join Humanatic, you are going to have a flexible way to make money from home because you're going to be doing this on your own schedule. And you can make as little or as much as you want. And that's by obviously having been available. And they have users from all around the world doing this. So it's not just for US, it is for lots of people who have PayPal account, basically. Okay, guys? And a PayPal is available for a lot of people, but not everybody. Yes, I know it's not for everybody, but it is for a lot of people. So whoever have PayPal can join Humanatic to do this. The second site I want to go to is ClearVoice. It is found at clearvoice.com. And this site, what it does is that it connects people who need help writing with freelance writers, okay? And you and I could become one of these freelance writers to write for other people. So creating with you for you to grow your brand. So this is where companies or individuals come to if they want to hire writers. So if you want to go to how it works and you go to for freelancers, you click here, then you can read more about how to apply. So you just apply here. Basically, you just get started with creating your account, and you're going to then put your CV portfolio together. So this is kind of like your way of branding yourself and making yourself available on their platform. So for more than freelance writing jobs and an entrepreneurial ladder, ClearVoice is designed for the future of work. Our talent network and collaborative workspace allows freelancers and in-home teams to collaborate seamlessly. Our goal is to help you seize opportunities and deliver your best work with less hassle and less handle. So here you will see the different things that you can do with yourself on this platform. So you can brand yourself, and you can secure good jobs, and you can share your portfolio that you have built there to many different places. And then you can set your own rates. So just be careful, not too high so you get hired. And then you get to communicate with clients as well. And you're going to get paid quickly here using PayPal again. So this one also pays PayPal, which is great. The 2 biggest questions about freelancing via ClearVoice answered. How do I get assignments? So once you create your CV, which is your portfolio, you can apply to join the ClearVoice Talent Network. Then you're going to get matched with different clients. And they're very conscious about paying freelancers on time, okay? When you work as a freelancer with a ClearVoice client, you will get paid via PayPal upon assignment approval. No messy invoices or waiting periods. It's the 21st century after all. They make it so that you could get paid quickly, so you don't have to worry about that, okay? Now the next one is Apple. And if you just search on Google Apple at Home Advisor, then you will get to this page, okay? What is Apple at Home Advisors about? It is about you being one of their customer support agents at home, okay? So they hire support agents from all over the world, and you can work from home being one of their agents, and they train you, and you're going to be an employee. You're going to get benefits. And so you're going to get to work at home, okay? And you're going to get trained, you're going to get connected with other coworkers so you don't feel so alone at home. And so being a part of Apple isn't the only benefit. You're going to get all these benefits from working at Apple, okay? You're going to get paid time off, you're going to get discounts, and you're going to get career growth. So one of the positions that you can get here is at-home advisor. So this is like the first level that you can enter. Then you could be a team manager or an area manager, okay? So even the at-home positions, there's a little ladder you can climb within Apple. So if you like Apple products, this is a great opportunity for you guys to check out. So the fourth site is Mod Squad at modsquad.com, guys, okay? And this site is all about, they are helping brands and companies do their social media management, basically, okay? So they do on-demand digital engagement, meaning companies and brands or individuals can hire them on an on-demand basis. So if they just need it for a short term, they could just hire them for short term. If they want long term, they can hire for long term. So you can work for them as one of the people going to be managing their clients' social media accounts. So if you like social media, this is a great option for you. You could be posting on their account, you could be liking posts, you can be sharing posts or commenting on their posts. So it's engagement that they need, okay? So you just need to go click on careers at the end of their site and check out how you could become a mod squatter, and you could become an employee, an actual employee with benefits, and check out what they have. They have both jobs in their offices or remotely, okay? So there's remote positions as well as the positions in their various offices. The other place, the next place I was going to show you is called Amazon Jobs. So if you just Google Amazon Jobs, you should get to this page. And when you get to this page, you will click View Remote Jobs. And the remote jobs here are vast, okay? You can do, there are 800 jobs, okay, guys? And for virtual locations, 800. So you can look through these. There's a lot of different jobs. They're posted daily here, okay? And there's always something available. Look, there's 81 pages of things to look through. In case you don't know what Amazon is, it is one of the largest online retailers on the internet. So they are a huge company that you can work for. The next place is Cambly, Cambly.com. So this page is an app, okay? This Cambly is an app where adults and kids can learn how to speak English. So if you just go to Cambly.com, it's focused on adults only. If you click here, it's for kids. Now, for Cambly.com, you don't have to be an actual educated teacher. Like, you don't have a degree in teacher to be able to be one of their tutors here, okay? Because they just need people who know how to speak English. So if you just know how to speak English natively, then you can apply to be one of their tutors. Now, to come to this page about how to get paid to be one of their tutors, you have to search on Google, Cambly, how to become a tutor. So if you type that into Google, this link will come up for this page, okay? And it says here, get paid to chat with people from around the world. And you're not going to get paid like tons of money, but you will get paid a little bit. Like, it's pretty decent, okay? And this is open for a lot of different people as long as you have PayPal, I believe. Yes. See, they pay through every Monday on PayPal. So you will get paid 17 cents per minute, guys, okay? So which works out to be about $10, $10.20 an hour. So this is a pretty decent amount of money to be earning by just talking to other people. And it could be anything that you could talk about. There's nothing, there's no script to follow, there's no lesson to teach. because you are literally just having some conversation with people who want to learn English this way. And you can do this anywhere, anytime that you have on your phone, because you can use this on your phone and just chat with people and talk to people and earn this way. So this is a great option for you guys. This next one is called Daily Transcription. You could go to it at dailytranscription.com. And what you're doing here is you're just transcribing audio files, whether it's a video or just audio file, into a text form. So you would type out the things that you hear on these audio files, okay? And transcription work is actually really well paid. You can, if you do a lot of it, you can actually earn a full-time income doing this. And so this is one of the better sites, Daily Transcriptions. So all you gotta do is click on careers, and then you'll find this page. See, you could earn here. We don't guarantee any payment, but our top transcriptionist pays anywhere from $250 a week to $950 per week, guys. Okay, that's a pretty good chunk of change, guys. Okay, so and you get paid weekly here. Okay, so this is another great choice for you guys to do, to work from home as a transcriptionist. Okay, the next place I'm showing you here is called Fancy Hands. Fancy Hands is a place where you can go get US-based assistants. So these are virtual assistant positions that you want to get, and it only applies for people who are in the States. So you're basically helping people do anything online, basically, because you are a virtual assistant, so you are not specifically doing anything. So it could be social media, it could be writing articles, it could be doing little things, on little tasks online that they need for their online business, like checking emails or clicking on things or doing some processes that they need done. Go to the bottom here and check out jobs, and you'll get to this page here where you can apply. Okay, so you could click on apply for a virtual assistant job, and then you can learn more about it here. Okay, you could learn about what you'll be doing, and basically you just need to be good on the phone and great at internet research. So you're going to be doing work like making phone calls on behalf of people, like canceling cable or doing scheduling appointments. It's not very hard. Finding hotels, guys. So literally it could be paid for anything, and you're talking about $3 to $7 per task, which is fantastic. Okay, guys. So this is another option for you guys. Now the last thing I want to show you guys, it is going to be something that is really cool that you can do on your own. Okay, but you need to do this learning how to do it through Wealthy Affiliate. So you could be a affiliate marketer, guys. What this differs from the other options is that you can build something here that earn passive online income, which the other options don't allow you, because all the other ones are more like a job. So you're trading time for money, meaning that if you stop working for any of those jobs, you will stop earning. But here, what you're learning as an affiliate marketer is that when you're an affiliate marketer and using this method to earn from your online business, you could literally earn any time of the day. And this is because Wealthy Affiliate teaches you how to build your affiliate website out that allows it to attract its own visitors 24/7. So their method is very powerful in this way, in the sense that you will be able to build a machine basically that attracts its own visitors and makes its own money. Okay, and what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is about earning commissions from recommending things that you love, guys. Okay, it is not hard to recommend things that you love, like the way I'm doing right now. I love Wealthy Affiliate because that's what I used in 2016 to start my online journey. And I'm still there because I'm telling other people, I'm recommending other people this platform because it is so great to use their training. Their training is step by step. They have text on there, they have video on there, and they have tasks at the end of each lesson so that you can take action on everything that you learn right away. So you're building your online business as you were learning. And so you can really earn and learn this way if you want to. This is also free to start. You see down here, no credit card required. And so, but you want to get to this page with my face on it though, okay? And you need a special link for that. The special link is workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama. Now that's my affiliate link, and why you want to use that link is because I offer free coaching if you sign up with my link. If you sign up with me, and I'm a super affiliate on the platform, I could really show you things that a lot of people can't. So I really know the training. I know how to apply this training. I know how it works. I know how to make money from the training because I've done it already, guys, okay? So you can do the same thing and sign up with me and learn how to build this online business, which is so awesome. I love it. And all you gotta do is go to workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama, and I'll show you everything, how you can get to this page with my face on it, and how you could get started for free and start building your online journey, guys, okay? I cannot wait to help you on there. And then on the Wealthy Affiliate search bar, right on top, you could type in Littlemama, go to my profile page, and look at my posts on my profile, guys, okay? You will see how much I've been earning from their training and how much potentially you can earn. You will learn what you need to do to build an online business on this platform using workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama. And you can do it following my path, and I can teach you how to get it done and help you along the way, guys, okay? So I hope you like these 9 different ways to make money from home and work from home. These are really good ways to make money from home, guys. And really, the last way of building an affiliate marketing business is really the best way to go, guys. I really love it. As a stay-at-home mom, this is what I do. So you could do the same thing and make a full-time income like this. Okay, guys? Alright, if you liked this video, guys, please give me a thumbs up underneath this video. I really appreciate it. It helps my channel a lot. And if you can, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys. And hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes up. And I hope I see you on the Wealthy Affiliate platform soon so I can help you on your online journey. And I hope I see you on the next video, guys. Bye!